First ever KFC here in Philippines. Supa natin.
Ate, first time ko virgin at sa kaya. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Bayad ka na uy.
Hello, andito kami sa SM Lanao. Kasi gusto namin magpa-nails, tapos mag-shopping kami para palitan yung sira naming maleta. Yun lang.
First, mag-brunch muna tayo. Kakain kami dito sa KFC because gusto talaga namin matikman and makompare ang lasa ng KFC ng Pilipinas at ng Ireland. So, ito yung in-order namin. Meron kaming normal chicken lang at saka chicken zinger meal. Meron kaming mushroom soup, a bowl of mashed potato with some crispy chicken, gravy, and corn. Ito yung famous bowl. Chicken zinger burger, iced tea, at saka chips or french fries. Or veggies, whatever you call it.
Ang ganda naman ng lighting dito. Matamis. Bakla din iced tea. But anyway, first things first, what I noticed, they have rice in their KFC. So this is their rice. Para lang yung Jollibee. The rice is the Filipino staple food. Sobrang bilis ng prepare nung lady na nag-prepare ng food namin. She was the cashier and she's also the one who prepared our food. Ang bilis niya lang ginawa. Like, I only stood there for like how many minutes. And then I was wondering what the hell is this for? It's like, it's a sugar syrup. Oh, it's for the iced tea. It's unsweetened. Lasang lemon. Uy, nakakagulat, boy. Ang asim. Your iced tea is scary. Oh my god, yes, it's so much better. Ang gravy. Tingnan natin kung gaano sarap yung gravy nila.
Grabe yung seal ng kanilang gravy. Parang ayaw nilang ipakain.
Ay, hindi ko mabuksan.
Tigas. Ano dito? Ayun, nakuha mo na.
Haha. Plates, dito nilalagay ko.
Ano sa akin, please?
Oh. Ano naman yung tinilo?
Sabi ko, tinilog mo eh.
First ever KFC here in Philippines. Supa natin. It's less salty, I think, compared to Ireland. It's chewier. Mas makunat siya kaysa sa Ireland. It's not as crispy. This is their zinger burger. It's not bad. Then I'm gonna try their mushroom soup. I love this. It's just not warm. But it's so good. This is their famous bowl. But I think it has mashed potatoes with some chicken and corn. With gravy, I think. Yeah, there's gravy. I like this. Corn with mashed potatoes and gravy really works. Chips.
Masarap chips nila.
Masarap ang chips nila. Much better than Ireland. So, I like this one. The famous bowl. But yung gravy nila is it's not the same. No?
Masarap gravy sa akin.
Very bland ang kanilang gravy. Their mashed potatoes are so soft.
Three meals meal.
Ano nila? Their zinger is not spicy, but it's crispy. I prefer it. That's what I like, not spicy. This 3 meals only cost less than 20 euro, but if we ordered this in Ireland, it'll be like 40 for the two of us. Crazy. Okay, di anong rating mo?
Pagkain, guys.
8. Ako naman mga 7 kasi yung chicken nila very chewy. Hindi siya crispy or crunchy. Yung gravy nila, halos walang lasa yung gravy nila. I like yung crispy chicken nila na, zinger ba yun? Zinger chicken nila is really, really nice. Crispy siya, hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. Tolerable siya. Iced tea nila, kung hindi mo alam kung saan nilalagay yung sugar syrup na yun, magtitiis ka talaga sa lemon and water.
Kung hindi mo alam.
Nagulat talaga ko. It's my first time to see a sugar syrup na naka-separate from the iced tea.
Parang ikaw mag-control ng
Yeah. I never knew that such thing existed. Pinaka-favorite ko doon is yung kanilang bowl with the mashed potato with corn at saka chicken. Masarap din yung soup. It's giving Jollibee beef steak. Hindi lang siya mainit. Malamig siya. Solid 7. Okay, let's go to our next agenda.
This was the only nail salon that wasn't busy and that we don't have to wait for 2 hours, so this is where we went.
We're gonna get our nail manicure and pedicure with foot spa. But I'm gonna get gel done. It's the first time for Angelo.
I'm a virgin.
Ganda ng kulay nito. Latte and nudes. Nudes na, magnunude ka.
Ate, first time ko virgin ako kaya. Dahan-dahan lang, ha?
Natakot ako, baka dahil sa kaka-beach namin, may makita si ate na sand sa gilid ng kuko. Mga buhangin. Mamaya dyan, may turtle pa dun sa gilid ng kuko. Tatago. Galing sa Apo Island. Review ko sa nails ko. Yung toes ko, sobrang ganda ang pagkalagay. Manipis lang siya, maganda yung kulay. Pero yung nails ko dito sa kamay, pansin ko, parang siyang bumpy. Tapos sobrang kapal ng pagkalagay. Pero maganda yung kulay na napili ko kasi very nude lang siya. Pero sobrang kapal. Tapos yung massage ko sa paa, maganda, masarap. Pero yung sa kamay ko, ibang staff kasi yung nag-massage ng kamay ko. Binigyan niya ng attention yung left side ko, pero yung right side hindi. Parang minadali niya. May mga clients na pumapasok. How was your experience? Sobrang ganda ng pagkagawa nila ng manicure and pedicure niya. Nagmamanicure sa akin medyo chismosa. Pinapag-usapan nila yung movie na Rewind by Marian Rivera at saka kay Ding Dong. Parang gusto ko rin panoodin yun.
Naka-pair kasi in-spoil nila.
Spoiler alert, namatay daw si...
And of course, kailangan namin uminom ng sago because this is very nostalgic drink for me. I ordered ube flavor without the tapioca pearls. Sobrang sarap. This is my favorite brand talaga. So, I recommend it.
Thank you! Quiet ka na, uy.
And then pumunta kami dito sa baby or kids clothing line called Ginger Snaps, and ang ganda ng mga damit nila dito. The vibe is just so perfect. I am definitely coming back here para ipag-shopping yung anak namin. And of course, the last shop that we went into is Miniso. And of course, nag-ikot-ikot kami, nag-window shopping, and of course, I bought some few things because masyadong maraming cute na characters dito. Mapapabili ka talaga sa sobrang cute. And ang dami nilang plushie. And so tempted akong bumili kaso lang hindi na magkasya sa bag ko talaga, sa maleta namin. So hanggang tingin na lang tayo and vlog.
I got another fan kasi nasira yung fan ko sa Samal. Nalaglag. Bought a bigger one from Miniso. And then I got mom one as well kasi hinihiram niya palagi pamayapay ko and I can see na nag-struggle siya sometimes. Sarap pag-vlog dito kasi ang ganda ng lighting everywhere. Pauwi na kami. Birthday ni Arisha today. We bought like a present for her. So excited ako bigyan siya. Pumunta din kami sa Watsons para bumili ng BT. Dalawa. At saka panty liners. Pumunta ko ng toilet kanina. May babae na parang nagpapanik siya. Naghanap pala siya ng 5 pesos na gold yung kulay. May 5 pesos naman siya pero silver yung color. Tinanong ko ng trabahador kung meron ba daw akong 5 pesos na gold or yung yellow na color. Yun lang pala yung tinatanggap ng vending machine para sa pads. I think it's a bit silly. Fortunately, meron akong 5 pesos na ganun. Binigay ko sa kanya. Nagpalitan kami ng 5 pesos. My good deed for the day. Let's go home and give Arisha her present!
But wait, toilet muna kami, and of course, hindi ako makapagpigil. Kailangan ko talagang buksan yung Miniso electric fan ko dahil sobrang init sa labas ng mall. At Pag-uwi namin, kinuha agad namin si Arisha para isuot ang nabili naming dress para sa kanya. Sobrang princess vibes and may matching teddy bear pa siya. And mukhang nag-enjoy naman si Arisha sa birthday niya at ang mga adults as well sa pagkain na handa ng kanyang mga parents and sa karaoke. And of course, mas favorite niya pa rin yung electric fan. Okay, maya-maya pumunta na ako sa loob ng kwarto ko and nag-haul na ako. I got this parang hand towels for the toilets, my electric fan, 3 Bear pens, and some keyrings for myself and my friends.
There's definitely 2 lines in there.